how to turn off or on your device use on your Google Chrome. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off or on your device use on Google Chrome. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, click on your Google Chrome. Now click on those 3 points up there and click on settings. Scroll down and click on site settings. Scroll down again, and here you're gonna find your device use. It's the option, the second option before the last. Click on it, and you can turn off or on this option by just click on it. You can turn off to block when sites from knowing when you are actively using this device, or turn on whatever you want. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.